wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream. Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping, Brother John? Brother John, morning bells are ringing, morning bells are ringing, ding, ding, dong, ding, ding, dong. Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping, Brother Moose? Brother Moose, morning bells are ringing, morning bells are ringing, ding, ding, dong, ding, ding, dong. Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping, Sister Hippo? Sister Hippo, morning bells are ringing, morning bells are ringing, ding, ding, dong, ding, ding, dong. Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping, Brother Gator? Brother Gator, morning bells are ringing, morning bells are ringing, ding, ding, dong, ding, ding, dong. Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping, Sister Panda? Sister Panda, morning bells are ringing, morning bells are ringing, ding, ding, dong, ding, ding, dong. Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping, Brother Tiger? Brother Tiger, morning bells are ringing, morning bells are ringing, ding, ding, dong, ding, ding, dong. Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping, Sister Elephant? Sister Elephant, morning bells are ringing, morning bells are ringing, ding, ding, dong, ding, ding, dong.
Oh, good morning, kids. From A to Z, from east to west. I'm Hannah. And welcome back to Dream Again. Uh-oh, I might have overslept. I think it was the sing-along song, Are You Sleeping? But luckily, Noah and Olivia were there to ring the bells. So, yes, I'm awake now. Oh no! Kids! I need to get ready for school. But today I wanted to teach you about my breakfast morning routine. Oh no! Miss Wigglesworth, can you help?
A morning routine starts with the evening before. The first thing to make sure of is if everyone's getting enough sleep. Yes, that goes for you kids and parents as well. Sleep is very important for our bodies to rest so they are refreshed and ready for the next day. Then it's always good to get a few things ready for the next day. Either you can make the lunchbox ready for the next day or even put out the clothes you want to wear. Now, let's move to the morning, for which of course we have a morning routine chart. It starts with brushing your teeth, then combing your hair and washing your face to feel refreshed. We do all of this in the bathroom. Then we get dressed and go into the kitchen where we have breakfast. Once we had breakfast, it's time to grab the lunchbox, put on the shoes, jackets, maybe even a hat or gloves, depending on what time of year it is, and then it's time to head out of the door to go to school. And that's your morning routine.
My pants! Where are my pants? Oh no! Oh, and my hair! I haven't combed my hair! Oh, and my backpack! Where's my backpack? Oh no! I should have gotten a routine ready and followed a chart. This is a disaster! And I should have probably gone to bed early too, so I wouldn't have overslept my alarm in the first place. Wait, I know what I can do so I won't be late. Mom, I don't feel well.
Hannah?
Yeah?
Just because you got up late today doesn't mean you can't get organized and go to school. You know, education is important. Or do you want to miss your show and tell class?
You're right. I'm sorry. I guess if I calm down and slowly organize, I can still make it to school. But it's not show and tell day today. I actually have an English class today, and I never want to miss that.
That's good to hear.
Well, kids, I hope you learn from my mistake and make sure you put together a morning routine chart so you can get ready for the day. Sometimes it will happen that you might sleep through your alarm, but take a deep breath and you'll notice you can still get things done and be ready for the day. And remember to join us for our next episode where we will talk through our bedtime routine. See you next time and have a wonderful day. Bye!
Hi there, it's Mikey. If you like what you see on Dream Again, be sure to hit the subscribe button and like us below. Thanks!